we go to the whiteboard, so in this instance, this is probably one of the most popular uses for these interactive panels. It's a built-in electronic whiteboard. So it's got a number of features on the toolbar here, and the toolbar can be changed to either side of the panel depending on what you prefer to teach on. So if I move that over here, so here we've got a split screen, so you can have two students at the same time using two different colour pens, maybe doing a maths race or a spelling race or something like that you can do. We've got built-in templates, so bear with me. Built-in templates, so we've got graph paper, we've got music manuscript, writing lines, and a few other handwriting patterns in there as well, which is super handy and just takes a bit of the hard work out of the teacher to do that. The next option we have is charts and templates. So we've got things like analog clock face. So if I tap on that, it puts a clock face in there, change them, move them around, change the different sizes, and away you go. And we can go, do the time or something like that on there. Let's go to a new page. And then you've got other things in there like a periodic table, you've got polar graph paper, you've got Venn diagrams, things like that. So that's really handy for teachers to have in there. And you can also add your own templates in there as well. So we go gallery, and anything that you want to save from the computer or from a thumb drive, you can save in there and refer to it anytime as well. Then we've got the writing tools. So we've got our pens. You can choose the thickness of your pen from thin to thick, different colours here. So they're your standard writing colours. So we've got blue, red, green, black, yellow. So if we choose, blue, and the writing experience on there is really, really good. And then you can choose your highlighter tool, change the thickness of that as well. And we go yellow, and we want to highlight everything there. So it's a semi-transparent highlighter, like a standard highlighter you would hold in your hand. And you've got extended colour palettes in there for both as well. So you can choose different colours if you need to. We've got an eraser tool. So you can choose the thickness of your eraser to rub out what you need to do. You go all the way to thin. And then if you want to, you can just erase all. So tap on that button and away it goes. The last thing within the whiteboard that I'll show you is the maths tools. So we've got the ruler. So I can drag that pretty much anywhere I want to on the board. I can move it around, can make it different sizes. Great for teachers who are wanting to do straight lines on a whiteboard. That'll certainly show you how to do it. You've got your full protractor, where you can do a full circle. Or even a little segment of an angle. And you've got your set square, perfect right angles. Tap on the cross and away it goes. And then you've got your half protractor. That's simple. You can clear it all and then close that down.